Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. This is a video on painting Shivalingam on peepal leaf skeleton. Come on friends, without any further delay, let us move into the video. Firstly, I have drawn the outline sketch of Shivalinga. If you wish, you can get this outline sketch from the link I have given below in the description. After making the outline sketch, I am using a CD marker to copy the outline sketch on the peepal leaf skeleton. To secure the leaf from moving, I have placed the leaf on a paper and I have secured the leaf using masking tape on all four sides. I initially used grey color but it didn't work out, so I have used black. Continue adding on layers of colors until you get a opaque background on the leaf. I have used only black and white color for painting the entire Shivalingam. I have used white color to show the highlights and edges of the Shivalingam. Now, using white color, I am going to mark 3 rows of Thiruneeru on Shivalingam. using chrome yellow, I am marking the sandanam. Now I paint some flowers here and there on the shivalingam. For some flowers I have used white and chrome yellow. For another set of flowers I have used crimson red. By using crimson red color, I am painting the outline edges of the peepal leaf skeleton to give some appealing look. If you like this video, kindly like and share the video with your friends of similar interest. Do share me your thoughts on this video in the comment section. Kindly support us by subscribing to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. Do check on my channel for more videos of similar kind. Thank you for watching the complete video.